perform COT or UOT analysis, you need to have a mesh. And your mesh should indicate which surface is upper surface and which surface is a bottom surface. You could assign this via the set manager. You can do this in any commercial software like Abacus. But you could also do this in OTOM. For example, if you have a certain node and element and you would like to assemble it, you have a different extension of the mesh, but you could easily extract the nodes and the elements. And you would like to assemble it, for example, here in the OTOM. You go on the utility and click on Mesh Adjustment. Now here the window will pop up. In this window, you could load the nodes and the elements. Then you could show the plots. You could assign the set, which could be the upper surface or bottom surface, and you could save the mesh file as an INP format. Then you could use that INP format in the simulation in the OTOM. Please note that the upper surface node and the bottom surface node should be explicitly indicated in the INP file, which we could do it here. So we click on Load Node and XYZ locations, and we select the node that we have. So we select the one set of nodes. So you could have either Excel file or TXT or CSV file. Here I have a text file. So I go to here, for example, I select these nodes. So the software loaded the nodes. You could either modify the nodes or check the nodes. Then you need to load the elements connectivity for those nodes. So select this file. So the element connectivity for the brick 8 node elements consists of the 8 node per elements. You will see the numbering. So you could extract these informations of the mesh from any software, either Gmesh or, for example, Abacus or ANSYS. So now you loaded the nodes and elements. It shows as a tick here. Then you go to Show and Plot Update. So this is the plot of your mesh. So it's a very thin mesh that you will see here. So here we would like to indicate where is upper surface and which set of node is down surface. So we need to indicate like this area on the outside of the ring is upper surface, and here the inside is a bottom surface. Then we use this information in the UOT and COT analysis. So what we need to do is go to the set manager and select the new set. Now stripe show up here. You could set the nodes for the single element or tangent angle or closest points. So here I select the tangent angle, and my limit for tangent would be this value. You could either decrease or increase it depending on your curvature and geometry. I leave it as it is. And what I need to do is click on Add. Then I select the plane. That I would like to show. Because the other location was selected before, so I need to a little bit zoom out and go to this area. So here we go. We see that this faces will highlighted, so we accept this surfaces, which was actually here. So click on OK. So as you see that all of this area of the outside of the ring will be highlighted. You could set a name. You could use the set like upper surface or up surface to indicate that this is upper surface, and OTOM will detect this a name. Click on OK. Zoom out a little bit and you see that all these nodes are selected now. If you go at the edges, you will see that exactly these nodes at the outside are selected. Now the next action is to select the new set and go to the similar procedure. Where we go to select the plane inside. So we zoom in. Yes, now this is the face that you would like to select. So it's highlighted as black. Click on OK. And we set it as down or bottom. Could also set it as like a bottom surface. And then click on OK. So all nodes which are inside are selected like that. You would see them here like that. And you could close it, and now you could check it also in Set Manager. You go set the up surface and bottom surface, and these are the nodes, assigned nodes, indices. So you could either save it also for later analysis, but you just need to be here, just close it. And now we need to save the mesh file. So with these actions, we create a mesh with the INP format, and we assign the sets, which is upper and bottom surface. Click on OK. Now the set will be created. To check that, we could go to the directory that we just created in the supplementary files, and in the mesh you will see that this file was created. We could open it with the notepad. And you will see that this is the file that we just created. It was this is the name and some heading, and these are the nodes. And we go down to see the elements here, and again go down to see the sets. So here starting the set and the bottom, which is based on nodes, and this is the sets of the upper surface. So we assemble it, the nodes and elements, and we added the sets to that, and we saved it. So you could transform any sort of like extension of the mesh with different mesh. You could just import the nodes and elements, and you could create the INP format, and you could assign a set, which is upper and bottom surface, which is necessary to perform UOT and COT analysis, because the boundary condition detections between the layers will be also detected via this set of the nodes. So, and if you indicate the wrong set of the nodes of upper and bottom surface, it could end up in the wrong outcomes. So it's very important that you set the upper and bottom surface accurately.